So we are here right now, friends, with our new medicinal plant that is Calotropis procera. Its botanical name is Calotropis procera that belongs to the family Apocynids. The common name of this family is milkweed family. Calotropis, it has two species, Calotropis procera and second one is Calotropis gignata. Calotropis gignata are bit larger in height actually, that grows in most part of the Himalayas. So its basic origin or it is a native plant of African countries. Most part of the African countries with humid desert-like condition it prefers most. It doesn't require that large amount of water, so that is why it grows best in that condition. It generally grows up to this height, generally 2 to 3 feet in height. It is Calotropis procera, I've told you. And now I'm gonna talk about its root system. You will find the root are deep tap root system. It belongs to the class dicotyledons and it has great network like structure, spreading in all possible direction it can to achieve nutrient to grow properly. Doesn't require that much amount of water generally that another plants do. And if when I am come to its stem, you will find it is semi-shrubby in nature. Leaves are sessile. You can see here these are sessile, arranged in opposite decussate fashion. You can see here with bit obtuse kind of apex are ovate in shape, and when I'm gonna tear it, one of the leaf like this, you will see a white milky exudate is coming out from it. It is bitter in taste with toxic in nature for most of the browsing animals, but it has a great medicinal importance in our Ayurveda and different systems. And if I'm going to talk about its flower, you're gonna see it is pentamerous in nature. Five stigma, five arrangement of sepal petals all here right now. It are blossoming, great, attractive in nature, not nectary, but they are amazing to see. And I'll make you see its fruit. So here its fruit is like this. These are its fruit of Calotropis procera, and now I'm gonna tear it. One of them, you will see a milky exudate is coming out from here. Yeah, you can see. So now I'm gonna tear it down, and I'm gonna make you see its what is inside it. We'll check it out. So I have teared it. Oh, but isn't it seems to be fish? Yep. Yeah. It's our. It is its seed. This is its single seed. You can see it's not mature right now. It will turn into a black one like this. And is this is mature seed and this is young one. You can see. This is the young seed. You can see it is not been mature by now, but I can make you see what will be happen to its fruit by the later stage. I told you it doesn't have any nectar, so it is that is why it is wind pollinated by the mean of wind. It's these seeds disperse in all possible direction it can, and whenever and whichever place they get down, they turns into a new one. So I will make you see like this, like this. It is the rupture or dehiscence fruit like this. It is so concentrated you can hear the voice. So it is this, and young seeds just come out from here and it goes wind pollinated. So this was our medicinal plant. Hi friends, this is Atul Thakur.
Hi friend, this is Vivek Kumar.
We are going to talk about medicinal use of the Calotropis.
The important part of the Calotropis which are used for making medicines: stem, root, lattice and flower, leaves.
And it has some special property, that is why used to make medicine, that is anti-inflammatory, anti-thalamic.
That wise treated with cancerous tumor asthma, and anorexia and latex are used to cure of the teeth cavity.
Now I'm going to talk about this plant in Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, it is named as the Arka. So, if you are thinking this plant is a wild plant, so it's your fault. It is not a wild plant. In a medicinal, there is a huge part of our life used as a medicine of this plant. Let's go. I see you. How can we use? You can see the dry stem. You can see a dry stem. You can use it. Most of the part, the famous thing. Most of the important thing is that the parts of these plants, all parts, I'm not talking about the only one parts, all parts of these plants are used as a medicine. The most important thing that this plant release a white milky type liquid. As you can see, now I'm gonna show you that white milky type of liquid which produced by this plant, and it is a useful for our health. Now I'm gonna show you. When you will tear a leaf, you will see a white liquid coming out from this leaf. It is latex in the nature, and it you can smell it in a pungent smell, and in taste it is a bit. Now I'm going to tell you that if you are taking these plants as a medicine, so will be fine. Example, your digestive system, your spleen, your liver, lungs, that's it. So how can you use? You can do dry the leaves and the stems and the roots of this plant, and you can use as a powder form. And if you can't do that, so you can do one thing. You can use the white fluid, milky. You can use a white milky exudate as a syrup. So if you are suffering from any cavity problem, so you can also use this milky exudate